Chance of survival, time for Darwin. Thus, a start to change in evolutionary behavior and survival seems, at least the majority, to be possible to have been influenced by to reason up a conflicting scenario without perceived to predicted intent, but in line with capabilities to reason up an unpredicted niche that fits the own creating for or in of reality. A conflicting scenario as such that leaves a way negated, or a way to paths that arrive to the walking unpredicted but on its step. If then such so that the obstacles in life is at highest depth to remain in its ever-casting symbol to the still of living for the pathway, to ensure that death does not change the opportunities for chance to survival for other members of a species could be an indicator similarly. Now, not hence of conflict killing the alpha animal or the nightly visitor, but hence of that the best suited for mating with ensures the genes is this to rule out irrelevant, while every further generation is immediately impacted by the last remains to the species of one that died. Given bad parents, but a non-autonomic child, death causes long, unforgiving, depressed phases, hence of more of obstacles, killing off opportunities to coping or norm or relevance of significance in society's function, not its own, of function to leave chaos instead of progress. Furthermore, given that true for that the unreasoned but caused niche to arrive is first impact to change in evolution or in for survival, this reasons to a first impact to have equal distribution, though to the species at least in few generations, leading to behavior of survival as for to remain the lasting impact on genetics, leading up to unpredictable variety, hence of similar environment, but in return to path of least action, by being with random obstacles and first impact of interaction have most impact by value of impact. Hence, the deceased animals of impact to evolution or survival have the same value to other rising, for example mutation, making thus those not derivating, the others same of new path ruling out less stable to its mutation.